Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. Let's look at an example that has a whole lot of exponents going on, and we're asked to simplify using positive rational exponents. So we need to use a lot of our exponent rules for this problem. Here we're asked to use positive rational exponents to simplify the expression and assume that all variables are positive. Well, the first thing I want to tackle is this negative exponent in the numerator. Remember, a negative exponent impacts the base that it's attached to. Here, the negative 3 exponent is attached to a base of k to the power of 1/2. And a negative exponent says, take that base and move it to the opposite part of the fraction. So if it's in the numerator, like here, we move it to the denominator and make the exponent positive, where if it were in the denominator, it would move to the numerator. So what we do is we take that negative exponent of negative 3 and it becomes a positive 3 exponent. And it's still attached to that same base. The base doesn't change. It's k to the power of 1/2, now to the power of positive 3. Since that value was initially in the numerator, it now becomes part of our denominator. So our numerator is going to be just a 1. And this base, k squared to the power of 1/4, remains in the denominator. Now we can use our power rule to distribute this power of 3 through the first set of parentheses and the power of 1/4 to the second set of parentheses. So our numerator stays the same, 1. And the power rule says that we multiply those exponents. So k to the 1/2 to the power of 3, we multiply 1/2 and 3, which gives us 3/2. And k squared to the power of 1/4, we multiply 2 times 1/4, which is 2/4. And then we can simplify that exponent of 2/4. So our first is k to the 3/2, and our second base goes from k to the 2/4 to k to the 1/2, because that rational exponent simplifies. Now we're going to use the product rule. Since both of these terms in the denominator have the same base, k, we can use the product rule, which says keep that base, k, and add their exponents. So 3/2 plus 1/2. And our numerator is still just 1. And when we add 3/2 and 1/2, we get 4/2. So we have k to the power of 4/2 in our denominator. Well, 4/2 simplifies. So we have 1 over k to the power of 2, or 1 over k squared as our final answer.